Ngayon, pagkapat. Ngayon ka.
Second time.
Ayla. Next time ah.
Second time. Sorry, Ayla. Next time.
Sorry ka na lang, Ayla.
300 meters zip line. 600 feet.
440 meters, sir.
440 meters. Correction.
Okay. Ilang feet?
600.
600 feet. 600 feet. Sorry. Kamasok tayo, may karangger.
Afraid pa rin.
Takot ka pa rin?
Tandem windbreak.
Windbreak.
120.
1-3.